మీ వల్ల అయితే ఏదైనా దారి ఉంటే చెప్పండి. పాసిబుల్ వేస్ టు మ్యారీ హర్.
First he need to learn Kannada.
விக்னேஷ் ப்ரோ இவ்வளவு நாள் தெலுங்கு
உங்களுக்கு தேவையா ப்ரோ
தெலுங்கு
விக்னேஷ்
கத்துக்கிட்டே
ப்ரோ
சிங்கத்தை வச்சுனே அடிக்கிறீங்களா? சொல்லுங்க.
பேஸ் வர்றதுக்குள்ள போதும் ஆகுதியா.
டிப்ஸ் சொல்றான் कंटिन्यू चाहिए ब्रो, कंटिन्यू
वो
चाहिए.
मुंबई में सेटिंग हो गया बांद्रा में.
watch Upena movie bro. Upena Kriti Setti heroine.
Upana.
Bro, he watched Upana for 3 times, more than 3 times.
Only Jala Jala Patam song or else full movie?
Excellent song.
ஐயோ விக்னேஷனே என்னனே அந்த பாட்டை மட்டும் பாத்தியா? அப்படி படகுல போவாங்கல்ல ஒரு சாங், அந்த சாங்.
Bro, he's a diehard fan of Bullet song. Come on, baby, let's go on the bullet. He after he watched the Warrior movie song, Bullet song, he
Warrior movie director Linguswamy.
Yes, bro. But once again, after song, he purchased bike, bro.
Very good.
Bullet bike.
Exactly the same model.
Exactly same model. I'm not telling Joe. Seriously. He did.
And one more thing, you know, for Jala Jala Patam song, he closed his eyes to not see that song completely.
Then he need to visit clinic.
அவனே ஒரு பைத்தியக்கார மாதிரி பேசி
என்ன கண்ண முடியலன்னு சொன்னா கண்ண முடியலன்னு சொல்லி
அவனை ரிமூவ் பண்ண வச்சிடாதீங்கடா. ஏன்டா நீங்க வேற.
சரி, ஓகே. Change the topic. He became
bro, tell the tips to marry her. Finally we close that topic, okay?
செருப்பால வாங்க போறான்.
Bro, Sundar is Allu Arjun fan. After that only he like Vijay. Even I am also like Allu Arjun.
I am also Allu Arjun fan bro.
ஆமா அவனே Allu Arjun தான்டா.
bro புனித் bro
அவனே ஒரு புஷ்பா தான்டா வாழ்ந்துட்டு இருக்கான்.
தளபதி.
But bro, it's a based on movie.
புனித் bro next NTR movie Cheppu bro.
Next
After war bro.
அதே war 2.
So
project.
most of them are Allu Arjun fans, right?
Dragon
No bro. Here
Alex Mahesh Babu.
Mahesh Babu fan. Bro, I introduce bro. One second. In our gang, only Ramcharan fan. One guy only in Sham. His name is Sham.
But he's not there in space right now, bro.
But many of them like
he's a diehard Ramcharan
but
fan.
many of them like
ஒரே ஒரு மகேஷ் பாபு fan.
But many of them like NTR, Ramcharan, Allu Arjun like that only in our gang. Trouble like that only. Prabhas is based on
There is only one Mahesh Babu fan from our space. His name is KOC. He didn't came here. King of Chennai.
Pushpa movie baga fan undi bro.
Hey, sir, I like Pushpa movie.
Pushpa movie very big hit bro.
Friend Tamil Nadu bro. Arjun mai. கலாய்க்காதீங்கடா அர்ஜுன் கிளை
காட்லியா
அர்ஜுன் ப்ரோ பாய்க்கிறா ப்ரோ
வரகு சொல்லு அக்செப்ட் பண்றேன்.
அர்ஜுன் ப்ரோ ரெக்வெஸ்ட்
bro did you like Kamal Haasan?
No.
Vikram movie we like.
Bro before Vikram movie bro he know in Big Boss only 2K kids. Really he didn't even give that much hit.
Watch the
after Viswarubam after Viswarubam all or flop only. Papanasam is did better, but Vikram 2 is a blockbuster.
Bro, India 2 is most
actually
and Thug Life is mega blockbuster.
Bro, India 2
Thug Life banned in Karnataka itself.
Bro it's a good news bro. Even we are also fight for that for for Tamil language only. But after that release, I am also stand with the Karnataka people because movie was
We stand
completely
with the
worst.
Karnataka people.
Completely worst.
Very worst, bro.
Even
After that, the movie became very worst.
my friend watched Thug Life. He said Indian 2 is better than Thug Life.
Indian 3.
How about Indian 3, bro? When
Indian 3 in OTT, bro. Don't depress.
Coming soon on I think அது என்னடா பொங்கல் ரிலீஸ் தானே சொன்னாங்க இந்தியன் 3 ஏதோ
Revant Reddy, bro.
பொங்கல் ரிலீஸ்.
Revant Reddy, bro.
చెప్పు bro.
After Thalapathy, I really like Kamal Haasan, but Thug Life very disappointed for me, bro.
Bro, ready, bro. Pushpa 3 yes or not, bro?
Pushpa 3, no, I think.
Pushpa 3 they announced, but let's see after 2-3 movies.
But Pushpa is a good movie, bro. Very super movie.
But only good thing happened is boy skipped Trivikram.
Nice, bro. நம்மளும் மகேஷ் பாபு ஃபேன்ஸ் இப்ப நம்ம ரெண்டு பேருமே ரீ-ரிலீஸ் மட்டும் ப்ரோ இப்போதைக்கு. அவங்க ஒரு 3 வருஷம் லாக் ஆயிட்டாங்க. நம்ம அப்படியே நிரந்தரமா
மகேஷ் பாபுக்கு படம் இல்லையா ப்ரோ?
மகேஷ் பாபுக்கு அது ராஜமௌலி ப்ராஜெக்ட் அது more than 3 years.
ராஜமௌலி ப்ராஜெக்ட்ல 3 years லாக்.
பாபு fans are waiting for update.
ஒரு நிமிஷம்
waiting for update. ராஜமௌலி
இத பத்தி கேளு. I can bro. ரேவந்த் ரெட்டியா பேரு? ரேவந்த் ரெட்டி ப்ரோ. అల్లు అర్జున్ 22 గురించి ఏమనుకుంటావు? What your thoughts about
Allu Arjun 22 will be blockbuster, bro, because the combination itself seems to be like that, right?
Yes, bro.
And more of like they were in form, and Allu Arjun rejected Trivikram movie because of all this. So Allu Arjun is very much confident on the script and all that. And we are very much happy that Sun Picture is also...
Bro, one second, I have one question. Do you like Chiranjeevi?
I like, bro. I like his dances and all that, but it's okay. Now the movies of Chiranjeevi are that not up to that expectations, but Chiranjeevi was definitely our Tollywood asset once upon a time.
Bro, in Tollywood, who is big, bro? Chiranjeevi or Balaya garu?
Balaya.
As of now, Chiranjeevi garu is bit backward because of his movies. But Balakrishna is dominating now as of now.
Making 100 crores.
Akanda, bro.
Last 4 years consistently box office wise.
Box office wise, he is doing far better.
Akanda 2 teaser. Akanda 2 is coming.
Bro,
Balakrishna movies will be accepted in any way. Balakrishna fans.
Bro, Balakrishna movie accepted in Telugu. Bro, Telugu state you accept that movie, but in Tamil state, Tamil and Kerala, many states we are also saw that Akanda 2 teaser. We do most of them don't like because of the illogical scenes, extreme illogical scenes. Even we accept illogical scenes, but it was extreme. I think.
Bro, actually acceptance in only Telugu states because of all that, but rest of the India he need to.
Bro, one question, bro. Simple question.
I can, bro.
ஒரு நிமிஷம்
నెక్స్ట్ అల్లు అర్జున్ మూవీ
ఆంధ్ర కలెక్షన్ చెప్పు బ్రో. సింపుల్
గెస్
யாராடி இட்ஸ் அன்பிரெடிக்டபிள்.
தமிழ்நாடுல
தமிழ்நாடு ஓடும் அட்லி படம் இதுல
அட்லினால 100 இருக்குமா ப்ரோ?
100லாம் வாய்ப்பு இல்ல. 50 வேணா தரோம். எப்படி தமாகுது?
பட் as of
ரேவந்த் ரெட்டி ப்ரோ,
புஷ்பா 2 50 பண்ணிச்சுடா. 50+
புஷ்பா 2 is a
75 ப்ரோ. இங்க
புஷ்பா 2 75 I think
மேல பண்ணிச்சு.
75 பண்ணிச்சு தமிழ்நாடு.
73 னா அப்ப 100 பண்ணிருல அட்லினால.
பாப்போம் வாய்ப்பு இருக்கு. படம்
இருக்கு ப்ரோ. ஆனா எனக்கு மியூசிக் டைரக்டர் நினைச்சா பயமா இருக்கு. சாயா பையனுக்கு
வாங்கிடுவாங்க, வேலை வாங்கிடுவாங்க. அட்லியும் அல்லு அர்ஜுனும்
முதல்ல அந்த லொடுக்கு பையனை சூர்யா கிட்ட நல்லா போட சொல்லு, அப்புறம் அட்லி கிட்ட பாக்கலாம். எனக்கெல்லாம் நம்பிக்கை இல்ல அந்த சின்ன பையனை வச்சு.
அவன் நிவின் பாலிக்கே ஒழுங்கா போடலையே.
அதான் இரு இல்ல நம்மளுக்கு முன்னாடி வருது இல்ல, அதான் பாப்போம் சூர்யா அது என்ன பண்றான் ஆல்பம்.
இல்ல வர அவன் எலைட்
ப்ரோ
மாதிரி பேசிருக்கானே.
ப்ரோ ஒன் செகண்ட் which music director you like mostly in Tollywood, not in Kollywood? Like
Tollywood,
Taman I think Tollywood and
Tollywood, DSP and
Mirara.
Taman, both are good.
bro, but DSP
Super.
recent days
You are my
isn't it not
taste.
that level?
Recently, from Kubera, he gave in good, right?
Gubera one
Best
song, Gubera one
BGMs
song.
in Gubera.
But Taman did better and good, I think.
Yeah, Taman is also doing better.
Even
Revanth
Pushpa to BGMs are done only Samsias. music director.
I can, bro. During old times. During old times, I watch movies only for Tamil music. If the Tamil name is there, I will watch movies for because of
Tamil music
old times
director.
like that.
DSP,
Bro,
sorry, Devishri Prasad, he does work from Tamil Nadu itself, right? His system
Yes, bro.
and
Bro,
all things.
DSP speak in 2002, 2012, I think, like that only, 12-13. After that,
Bro.
he became like outdated, like the Tamil Nadu.
He gave more
Tamil, he gave
chartbuster
outdated
song for
music.
Thalapathy, bro. DSP.
Yes, the Sachin albums is still our evergreen album.
Yeah.
And Puli songs
Recently
are
they
so
released the
better.
movie.
Rural movie, DSP is good only, bro. Rural, like many movies, hello movies, all that.
Also, for singer Surya
in
career, he gave
Tamil
singer.
Nadu, Chartbuster is that, right? Okkadu movie, Trisha and Vijay.
Gilly. Yes.
Gilly.
Yeah, bro, that movie is Vidyasagar. He's an old music director, not in form.
But that song
Greatest
everyone likes.
music
In our
director.
Telugu
Yes, bro.
state, in our Telugu state also, we vibe for that song.
yeah, bro.
Yes, bro.
Vidyasagar
Vidyasagar is everyone's favorite. Even Vijay haters also like Vidyasagar.
Bro, that is pan India hit before the pan India right?
Many movies like that only.
Pan world, bro, that song.
50 plus பண்ணிச்சுனா நம்மவே.
But
Revanth Reddy, bro.
Cheppandi, bro.
In the Telugu states, Mahesh Babu have highest, largest fan base, right?
We cannot predict, bro. Some say Mahesh Babu, some say
Pawan
Allu Arjun.
Kalyan.
Pawan Kalyan more of
But
like
currently
diverted towards politics, right?
Bro, family audience, Telugu state lo.
But currently Mahesh Babu have largest fan base, right? In terms of fan base.
Currently Allu Arjun.
Allu Arjun
Family
is
audience,
pan
bro.
India.
Bro, I'm not talking about box office. I'm talking about fan base.
Fans தான்.
Bro, Allu Arjun and Mahesh Babu are leading in fan base.
Okay.
Bro, family audience, bro.
Allu Arjun movies.
But
Family audience like both of them, Allu Arjun and because
Bro,
largest,
even Pawan Kalyan OG movie came this year only, I think.
OG movie, OG movie had OG movie have great expectations from everyone, but as of now, because Allu Arjun and Mahesh Babu got acceptance from family audience, so they have largest fan base.
In Tamil Nadu, Kerala, AP,
No,
TG, wherever, North also.
But
Allu Arjun has more children fans, right?
Bro, that's only a trolling myth.
Bro, I think Tamil Nadu these two have more fans, bro. Allu Arjun and Mahesh Babu.
In Telugu also it's
in Tamil Nadu, yearly to 2012 near one to be no Mahesh Babu only. Ram Charan second, like Mahadira.
I know Allu Arjun from
One second. We are no Allu Arjun in yearly 2K also in songs only, not in movie. Everyone reads. We are like Allu Arjun movies. நீ மட்டும் பார்த்திருக்கேன். He only watched it, but after that everyone watched Telugu heroes movies, entire films. I like entire Temper movie. Before that, Alavigondapuram Allu Arjun movies.
Most of the Telugu movies have dubbed through Star Vijay, I think so, right?
Yes. Star Vijay super.
Recently,
Spider movie,
Vijay super, bro.
బ్రో మగధీర టైమ్స్ లో కేటీవీ డబ్ చేశారు.
Sun TV,
ఇది రచ్చ
KTV.
సినిమా రగలై
Sun TV, bro, in those days.
రచ్చ సినిమా
Prime TV in Tamil Nadu. Most year
is
become
KTV.
only
Like
Sun TV, KTV.
most of the Vijay fans will think that Star Vijay belongs to Hero Vijay.
No,
Tamil
bro,
Nadu also, bro.
But
yes.
it's not
It's
right.
like
It's
a
for
myth.
Star India, right?
It's
Star India owns that company.
Yeah.
But
Bro, in
Sorry.
childhood,
bro, but
in childhood, everyone think that only, bro. Me also.
Yes,
Vijay,
bro.
Vijay
Vijay
TV
is the
is
owner
famous.
of Vijay
Yes,
TV in those days.
during our childhood, there is no Star Vijay. There is only name Vijay alone.
Vijay
So we
TV.
thought
Vijay
Vijay TV
Television.
only.
Vijay Television.
yeah, Vijay Television. We thought it as Talapati channel, but after some maturity, we understood that it's not Talapati. But you know one thing, it's they are still promoting Talapati in every program.
Bro,
Without Talapati,
even
reference-
yesterday.
bro, once again, so Sundar also know that. Triple R release time, I am hyped for Ram Charan only because Mahadira like that only. But after I saw, I told to Sundar also, I like NTR more than Ram Charan. And the
Yeah, in Triple R
characterization,
movie,
because
acting
yeah,
also,
NTR is the savior of that movie.
acting also. But I didn't expect that NTR more than
I like his
Ram Charan.
innocence in that movie, bro.
Yes, Ram
Character
Charan,
itself like that, right?
Ram Charan mass and arrogant, but emotionally connected for NTR only.
Yeah, Ram Charan was
ఒక
mass, but
నిమిషం.
mass
పునీత్
was
bro,
emotion.
bro.
India.
Alex,
ఈ
ஒரு நிமிஷம்.
తమన్తో ஒரு నిమిషం
So
ஒரு పடம் టికెట్
how about Jananayakan movie?
Jananayagan for Sankaranti only. Sankaranti
Sankranti
release.
Jan 9th.
Jan.
యా జాన్ 9th రిలీజ్
10
టోటలీ
days,
ఇలా
bro.
6
Celebration
days
festival.
Tamil Nadu,
6 days or 7 days leave
Tamil Nadu near 9 to 10 days leave, I think. So that only.
9 yeah for
Bro,
Sankranti
Pongal.
complete leave.
in Telugu, bro, how many movies are going to release in Sankranti?
Most probably
యారా నీ
Sankranti most
ఇలా
of
ఇలా
the time
మామే
in Telugu states 2 to 3 movies they will release.
Yes.
Even
மாமே
though
இல்ல ப்ரோ ஒரு நிமிஷம் அவன் என்ன கேக்குறான் பாத்தியா ஒண்ணு அல்லு அர்ஜுன் ஃபியூச்சர் கலெக்ஷன் என்னன்னு கேக்குறான் இல்லனா வந்து ஜனவரிக்கு என்ன ரிலீஸ்
இல்லடா
ஆகும்னு கேக்குறான்
அவன் ஃபியூச்சர்
யாரா நீ
he predict future.
அது இனிமே தானே தெரியும்
Venkatesh and Chiranjeevi movies, most of them maybe
Yes, I
they
think
may release.
only senior actor movies only
Senior
release
actors
in,
movies may release in Sankranti.
I think Akanda 2 also.
Akanda 2 no.
Akanda 2 for
Akanda.
September.
Dasara, bro.
Akanda 2
Dasara
in
போகுது.
Akanda 2 clash with I think in like
September 21.
a little bit distance with Kantara 2 I think.
OG.
Kantara 2.
இல்ல காந்தார் இப்ப ரிலீஸ் டவுட் ப்ரோ ஏன்னா
ஓஜி
கேஸா போயிட்டு இருக்காது.
அப்புறம்
OG September end I think.
ஓஜிக்கு அப்புறம் தானே வருது ஒன்னும் பிரச்சனை இல்லடா
OG Akanda 2 clash.
அலெக்ஸ் ப்ரோ ப்ரோ இந்த காந்தாரா போஸ்ட்போன் ஆகுமோ தோணுது.
அதான் ஆகட்டும்.
சகுனம் சரியில்லை.
அது அது ஆனாகட்டும் முதல்ல பாத்துக்கலாம் வரட்டும். புனித் ப்ரோ ஐ ஹேவ் ஒன் டவுட் ப்ரோ தட் மூவி Tamil music and see the opening start he kills everyone right.
Yes, bro.
Recent movie
Pujak
Day
Everyone
yeah.
hyping for Tamil music. Akanda 2.
Pujak Day heroine NTR garu actor Tamil music what's that film name?
Aravinda Sameta.
I want that kind of action movie. Aravinda Sameta kind
Bro,
of movie.
ஒரு நிமிஷம் இல்ல one comment one bro Sana Pavagada he messaged that NTR has most fan following in AP and Telangana.
Telugu states.
Everyone
Real bro,
with
real
visual
bro.
டேய் அவன் ஃபேன் போட்டிருக்கா அப்படிதான் சொல்லுவா நீ ஏன்டா ரியலான வேற கேட்டுற
Maybe changed on
Bro,
based on
Punit
movies.
bro, one question bro. Famous Vijay movie in Telugu bro. Telugu states. I mean Telugu states.
Actually, I like
Very
Tupaki.
famous.
Bro,
Tupaki.
Mersal only Mersal I think.
Mersal, BG.
Adirandi Tupaki.
Adirindi, Mersal.
Snehitudu also famous, right?
Bro, in
Snehitudu is an average. Uh, but I personally like Tupaki movie. Tupaki means
Yes.
A.R.
Yeah.
Murugadas
My
Kajal
favorite,
Agarwal.
bro.
Bro, in last decade,
Kajal
bro,
Agarwal.
in last
Many
decade,
people watch it in TVs, bro,
bro, in the
not
last
in theaters. But
in last decade, Vijay movies all are very good in Telugu state. Mercel, Bigel, Leo,
Even
Master,
Varisu also it done well in Telugu.
Yes, yes.
Master done very well, right?
yes, bro.
Uh,
Lockdown period.
yeah,
Lockdown
lockdown
period.
period.
go except got everything done well. Got average.
Even
Yes.
even
Even
Also,
Beach.
bro,
during
yeah,
God time, it
bro,
was that, right?
even we are also didn't expect that other state goat all came with super, but we expect in
Bro,
Kerala.
bro,
But Kerala
They
also did
Alex
good.
backstabbed.
bro, Alex
அவனுங்க தான்
bro,
முதல்ல
did you
குத்திட்டானுங்க.
like goat or not?
Also.
Hey, Ira, did you like goat or not, bro?
I personally I don't like.
Bro,
ஆமா அவங்களுக்கு புரியாதுடா எப்படிடா அது அவங்க ஸ்டேட் கனெக்ட்
it
ஆகாது.
is not Vijay.
ஏன்னா அது சிஎஸ்கே ரெஃபரன்ஸ் வச்சு அவங்களுக்கு எப்பறம்
Be-
பிடிக்கும் கோச்சுக்கு அப்படி
because
இருக்கு.
அவங்களுக்கு
Bro,
ஹைதராபாத்
CSK
ரெஃபரன்சஸ் இருந்தா
reference
பிடிக்கும்.
அதுல
That
bro.
is
Bro,
because
அங்கே CSK fans இருக்காங்க
CSK
தெலுங்குலயும்.
references and all that I like, but
Bro, we are all accept that fact only because movie did for Tamil audience only. Even director also said that. No, didn't focus that other state or
Other state audience.
multi star like that.
இல்ல
but
main
Even
it's
cancer
bro.
okay.
Other audience.
I personally say that movie is just okay. It's not that up to the expectations of Vijay movies, what we expect from Vijay. But it's okay. But
Bro,
doing,
yours favorite movie, bro? Tell me.
I already said no. Tupaki.
Okay,
அவன்
I
தான்
don't know
சொல்றதே
what.
கேட்டதே
Bro,
கேட்டுனுறியாடா ரோபோட்
bro,
மாதிரி இருங்கடா.
bro, did you like Good Bad
Kajal
Ugly?
Agarwal.
Bro, did you like Good Bad
Good
Ugly?
bad.
டேய் ஒரு நிமிஷம் இருங்கடா.
Bro, did you like Good
ப்ரோ.
Bad Ugly?
ஏய் ஒரு நிமிஷம் உருப்படியான கேள்வி
Bro,
கேட்போம்டா
that
ஒரு நிமிஷம்
mashup
இருங்கடா.
he
ஒரு
asking,
நிமிஷம்
bro.
இல்ல ஒன்
GBU
செகண்ட்
mashup.
சுந்தர் ஒன்
டேய்
செகண்ட்.
உருப்படியான ஒரு கேள்வி கேட்போம்டா ஒரு நிமிஷம் இருங்கடா. ப்ரோ
Bro, did you like
தெலுங்கு
Good
டேய்
Bad
டேய்
ஒரு
Ugly?
நிமிஷம்
எர்ரா
இருங்கடா டேய்.
சொல்லிட்டா சரி ஆன்சர் சொல்லிட்டா நான் பிடிக்கலன்னு சொல்லு.
Bro,
ப்ரோ
last movie of
நீ
Vijay,
முகத்தோ ఒక క్వశ్చన్
I
ப்రో.
watched only
டேய் ஒரு
Tulu.
నిమిషం இருங்கடா. బ్రో మీ ముగ్గుతో ఒక క్వశ్చన్ జననాయకన్ గ్లిమ్స్ చూసారా బ్రో ఎలా ఉంది
వెయిట్ రా
జననాయకన్?
డే
Chusa,
వెయిట్
chusa,
ఆఫీసర్
chusa, bro. Chusa.
హౌ ఇస్
Mustache
ఇట్
look.
బ్రో?
It's good, no?
Yeah.
సో దట్ ఎంట్రీ హౌ యూ
BGM,
ఫెల్ట్ దట్ BGM and entry of Talabadi?
BGM is good, bro. As expected, Anirudh, what he does for Vijay, everyone knows. He done.
That's why we will call him as Anil Ruth, bro.
డే
ఉడతా
Bro, one
What
question,
is
bro. You saw GBU mashup, bro?
no one like
Bro, please, bro, tell me, bro. GBU mashup.
ஆல்ரெடி சொல்லிட்டான்ல அதனால புனித்.
bro, how many Ajit movies do you watch, bro? I mean, do you watch before?
Did you watch it?
Ajit movies, I have seen 2 or 3 movies, I think so.
Name చెప్పు bro.
இதுவே கேவலம் தான்.
Bro, last
I
movie of
actually,
Ajit, I
Bro,
watched
I don't
Tulu,
watch
bro.
one, bro. I'm telling fact.
తెగింపు
Bro,
Yeah, Tegimpu in
Tegimpu,
Telugu,
one
Tamil,
bank
Tulu.
movie, bank movie, I don't remember.
Bro,
Very average movie.
అదే
just
తెగింపు.
ignore this topic. He's troll only.
Bro, one
Hey,
other.
Sarcasm, bro, that all.
பார்த்து படம் சொல்லிட்டோம்.
ஒரு
இருடா,
நிமிஷம்
இருடா,
அல்லு
படம்.
அர்ஜுன் ஃபேன் ஒருத்தர் வந்துருக்காரு.
Bro,
Bro,
Bro.
bro,
Bro, hype for.
bro, did
let's
you watch
talk about
Annatha?
TVK, bro.
டேய் ஒரு சிறுங்கடா. அந்த ப்ரோ రిమైనింగ్ 2 మూవీస్ చెప్పే బ్రో. తెగింపు తర్వాత
இது ஒரு பைத்தியத்தை கூட்டினு வந்து உட்கார வச்சிருக்காரு.
Gambler, right?
One sister sentiment movie, I don't remember.
வேதாளம்
Vedalam.
Vedala
bro
Ganesh, bro. Recent,
bro
his look is
V2
like Vedalam.
V2 like வேதாளம்
Everyone's
flashback everyone's
Mm.
favorite.
Gambler, you watched the bro?
Gambler,
AK is
Gambler, I
Gambler.
have seen
Hey,
Gambler.
Valime too.
Valma, I didn't see. Gambler, I have seen.
bro Valime disaster in Tamil Nadu.
Okay.
I
Tamil Nadu
didn't
itself,
see.
it
I
was a
didn't see
disaster.
that movie.
don't watch one
But
Ajit.
Gambler, I have seen Gambler.
I don't watch one Ajit movie, bros.
ஆமா கேம்ப்ளர் யார் படம்?
Bro
என்ன படம்?
one second you didn't
Mangata,
see
bro, Gambler da.
Yerra, one second you didn't see one Ajit movie.
Yes, bro.
I have seen, no. I have said
Alex.
already 2-3 movies I have
Oh.
seen.
I don't see.
Yeah, no, he said no Ajit movie son.
Bro, you saw Viswasam movie, bro?
Deri gamara.
Vishwasam, Nainathara,
Father
right?
daughter sentiment.
I have seen. I have seen. In television, I have seen.
Bro.
In television, I have seen.
I can bro సాంగ్ కూడా వస్తది కదా చిన్నారి తల్లి
Chinnari Talli. I have seen that movie. I have average movie.
Good Bad Ugly కూడా
అదే
పాత్ర.
Bro, that is
But
a
that
super hit
average
movie in
was the
Tamil Nadu,
biggest
bro.
hit, bro. In Tamil Nadu.
In Tamil Nadu, bro, in
But
Tamil Nadu,
it's all
recent
about the
days,
hit.
bro, recent days we like Nani more than Vijay Deverakonda. But starting
Yeah,
days
yeah.
we like, but starting
Yes,
days we
Nani
like,
is better actor than Vijay Deverakonda.
Even
bro, bro,
Nani is better
once,
actor.
1 minute.
Nani is
yes, bro,
better actor.
bro, but college, even I'm studying in second year college. That time only release in Arjun Reddy. Most of them said only Vijay Deverakonda, but now
No,
totally
after
changed.
that, Geeta Govindam also reached many Tamil peoples, bro.
Bro, dear Kam.
Because
I
of that
personally
song.
like Geeta Govindam than Arjun Reddy.
Because of that song.
Bro, no, Geeta Govindam, Dear Comrade, Arjun Reddy. After three films, most of them hate only.
Nani movies are like most
Magical.
it's magical.
Nani most of them like only, bro. I watched Hit 3, that also I like. Dasara.
See, we consider Nani as our
Surya
local boy.
Surya Saturday super movie, bro. Surya Saturday
neighbor guy.
once again Surya Saturday one minus is Priyanka Mohan only. Everyone laughed her reaction. Most of
Her reaction, their face reaction.
template trial material.
Bro, ఆ రియాక్షన్ ఇస్తుంది కదా అనే ఒక షాకింగ్ రియాక్షన్ ఆ ఫేస్ లో అదే రోల్ మెటీరియల్.
She doesn't know how to act, bro. Priyanka Mohan.
She, I mean, after Gang Leader,
In
she
Captain
lost
Miller,
her.
he done one shot, very worst acting, bro. In Captain Miller movie.
போதல்ல
That
பொழக்கிறீங்க
gunshot movie.
இதான் சாகுது.
Bro,
Revanth Reddy, bro.
bro, one
చెప్పు
second.
bro.
அலெக்ஸ் அந்த அல்லு அர்ஜுன் ஃபேன் ஏதோ பேச சொல்லணும். அவர்
ஒரு
வெயிட்
நிமிஷம்
July.
அவருக்கு நம்ம ஃபர்ஸ்ட் அட்லி பத்தி ஒரு இன்ட்ரோ கொடுப்போம்டா. அட்லி நம்மளுக்கு எப்படிலாம் பண்ணிருக்கான் அப்படின்னு அவங்க
தளபதிஸ் பிரதர், ப்ரோ.
Yes, bro.
Yes.
See, making fan-made films, Atli is one of the finest director. He can show the actor
He can
to an
satisfy
extreme
his
level.
fans.
Bro, Atli plus
He will
point is
glorify the hero.
one second.
Best, bro.
Atli plus point is fastest screenplay with emotion connect also. Even is a fanboy for every heroes. For SRK also he did
every hero.
At least from
July, bro.
Shankar school, right?
Yes, bro. He's one second. He's assistant of Shankar, but he overtakes Shankar nowadays. Even Shankar also accept that in interview also.
He will give
but we are
expecting
expecting comeback from Shankar. Director Shankar deserves comeback.
Bro, even I am also, bro. I am a fan
Many
of first director is Shankar only, bro. I watch Game Changer. Totally disappointment. I mean,
But I like the Game Changer.
Game Changer result is disaster in Telugu states also. It's an open fact.
Disaster, but I like the movie. But
it
the
was
worst thing
good,
is,
bro, for me.
Could have
the
used
worst
a
thing
better
is
chance.
the last 20 minutes and the first 20
Telugu
minutes.
Tamil directors are giving flops to Telugu heroes, while Telugu directors are giving blockbusters to Tamil heroes.
Bro, I want to say that.
Bro, Atli will give biggest blockbuster, bro. Don't worry,
Atli
bro.
will give.
Yes, bro.
Atli
100% bigger than Pushpa 2, bro.
Okay, as expected.
He will glorify Allu Arjun his very best way, bro. He will glorify.
Bro,
Better than Pushpa, he will glorify.
I want to say the perspective why Tamil director is giving flop to Telugu heroes. There is one reason, because if Telugu directors direct the film with Tamil heroes, they don't interfere with the story or any kind of things. But if Tamil directors direct the Telugu heroes, they interfere with story. The commercial element should be like this, like that. They will tell, and what happens? They lost the tempo and they give the flop films. So that's why the reason.
Bro. The fact is, even Tamil director nowadays also no one is trustable maximum.
Only 3 people are there. Atli, Lokesh, and Nelson. Nothing.
They say, but even they are also mistakes sometimes. Like that only.
Atli Lokesh is fine. Nelson is okay.
Nelson because of Jailer only.
Doctor also
Bro,
good, bro.
Nelson
Cameo.
can elevate a
Doctor,
hero
Doctor
better,
also
Doctor,
bro.
Doctor is
good.
also okay. Doctor
Even I
is
liked
also
Beast
okay.
movie
Okay.
also. Beast movie also.
డాక్టర్
Yes, yes.
డాక్టర్
Bro,
ఓకే అంట బ్రో
bro,
Bro,
yeah, bro. He
డాక్టర్
is a
సూపర్
okay, bro. Nelson is a okay director only, bro. Yeah, Jailer is
Yes,
a
yes, okay
Jailer is
he,
a
only.
Jailer
he
because
know
of
how
cameo
to,
only.
he know how to elevate a, he know how to elevate a
Because
hero.
Jailer,
Bro,
even
But
Jailer because
Rajni,
of slow-mo, bro. Only
Rajni
for
sir
Anirudh,
also
slow-mo.
said
one
no, right?
second.
ஸ்లోமో నాట్ స్లోమో బ్రో
Once they didn't.
நான் ஒன்னே ஒண்ணு சொல்லிக்கிறேன்டா.
Yeah,
டேய்,
even
நான் ஒன்னே
Rajni
ஒண்ணு
sir also
சொல்லிக்கிறேன்டா.
said same
நீங்க
statement,
நீங்க
right?
நீங்க
Yes, yes.
வன்மத்தை இளைய
Jailer
வன்மத்தை
is an
காட்டுறேன்னு
average
சொல்லிட்டு நான்
movie
பூர்
because
டைரக்டரை
of
மட்டம் தட்டாதீங்க.
BGM and Anirudh, the movie got
Yes,
blockbuster.
ఆల్సో
even
తమన్నా బ్రో
yes, even Rajinikanth also said in Success Meet also.
டேய்
బ్రో
இது
ఫస్ట్
இளைய
రీజన్ అనిరుద్
ஏய் ஒரு
సెకండ్
நிமிஷம்
రీజన్
டேய்
తమన్నా
என்னடா சொல்றா
இல்லடா நம்ம ஊரு ஐ மீன் அவங்க கிட்ட மட்டம் தட்டி பேசாதீங்களா.
என்னடா
நம்ம
இரா
என்ன வேணா
இரா
நமக்கு இது பண்ணி
ரஜினி தானே சொன்னான் நாங்களா சொன்னோம்
நான் இவன் நெல்சன் சொல்லிட்டு இருக்கேன்ல அது சொன்னேன்.
ஆமாண்டா நெல்சனுக்கு சரக்கெல்லாம் இல்லைன்னு தான் சொல்ல முடியும் வரட்டும் ஏதோ ப்ரூவ் பண்ணிட்டோம்
நெல்சனுக்கு எங்கப்பா சரகுல அவன் பண்ணிட்டான்ல.
என்ன பண்ணிட்டான்
అల్లు
Bro,
అర్జున్ ఫ్యాన్ బ్రో
Jailer 2ல தெரிஞ்சிரும் bro. Jailer 2ல.
ஒரு
இன்னும்
நிமிஷம்
சொல்லு
ப்ரோ. டூரிஸ்ட் ஃபேமிலி
ம்.
டூரிஸ்ட்
Tourist
ஃபேமிலி
Family,
டு யூ
I
லைக்
like Tourist
வாட்ச்
Family,
தட்?
bro. It's good movie. I have seen in
Bro,
Hotstar.
Dragon, bro. Dragon.
பிரதீப் ராணாதன்
டிராகன்
No,
பிரதீப்
I
டிராகன்
రిటర్న్
didn't.
ఆఫ్ ద
டிராகன்
డ్రాగన్
ரிட்டர்ன் ஆஃப் த
I have
லவ்
seen,
டுடே
I have
ஹீரோ.
seen that
ரிட்டர்ன் ஆஃப் த
BTech story. I have seen that.
எஸ் லவ் டுடே
రేవంత్ రెడ్డి బ్రో ఇన్ తమిళ్ విజయ్ ఓన్లీ ఫేవరెట్ రైట్ ఫర్ యూ
In Tamil, Vijay is favorite, bro.
ఓకే ఓకే అల్లు అర్జున్ ఫ్యాన్ బ్రో ఆర్ యు దేర్
டேய் அவன் பேரு ஜூலைன்னு
జులై
போட்டுருக்கல.
బ్రో యా బ్రో சொல்லுங்க you don't want to worry about Atli Allu Arjun project because he will
அவன் தான்
give
தமிழ்லயே
biggest
பேசுறான்.
industry hits than Pushpa
தெரியும் எனக்கு.
ஏடா அவன் தான் தமிழ்லயே
தமிழ்
பேசுறான்.
தெரியுமா சாரி
சொல்லுங்க.
இல்ல
ஆடா
அப்போ விடுங்க
நீ இங்கிலீஷ்ல
பேசி
பேசு.
முடிச்சியா தமிழ் தெரியும் அவருக்கு
ஓகே
Vijay
ஓகே
F1 கேட்டாலே தெரிஞ்சிரும் bro. தமிழா
Vijay Reddy is from Telugu. He's also Vijay fan. He lives in Tamil Nadu.
ఓ తమిళనాడు
ఎవరు
అవరే
బ్రో?
விஜய்
இப்ப
அட
தமிழ்நாடுல
பாவி டேய்.
10th கிளாஸ் ఒక ஒரு 5 years ஆயிடுச்சு எனக்கு தமிழ்நாடு சின்ன ஐ மீன்
எங்க இருந்தீங்க
பர்లేదు ப்ரோ.
கொல்லத்தூர் தெரியுமா கொல்லத்தூர்
ப்ரோ ஈவன்
என் அட்ரஸ் கேட்டு வீட்டுக்கு
இல்ல
போறியா?
இருடா ப்ரோ ஒரு நிமிஷம் ஈவன் இன் கோலிவுட் ஆல்சோ வேர் ஆல் recent days or disappoint movies only like Goodbye Ugly most of them not like but even fans like that movie Thug Life flop
ఇట్స్ ఫ్యాన్ సర్వీస్
Thug Life flop retro flop all are big movies only Kango the
విడామర్చి
last year
బిగ్గెస్ట్ ఫ్లాప్
Vidamurchi also
Kango.
flop movie
bro, you watch Lal Salam, bro. Lal Salam.
No, bro. No,
Better-
bro.
No,
better
I didn't even know, bro. Lal Salam.
Bro,
Okay,
utter
bro.
flop, bro, in Telugu states.
Bro, in
And
Tamil,
Even we don't know that
bro
team.
one second do you expect
first show is not good, bro.
Murugadas movie Madarasi
I like Murugadas because I have expectations on Murugadas.
yes bro even we are also last previous movie Spider Darbar also we
Once
are
upon
not
a time,
Bro,
everyone.
Sarkar movie,
మురుగదాస్
bro.
ఫ్యాన్ బ్రో
This last
Once
movie,
upon a
Sarkar, na?
yes, Sarkar,
Yes.
I think.
Revan,
Later he
bro.
went to Bollywood.
ப்ரோ
Mm.
బ్రో ఒక
రేవంత్
నిమిషం. యాక్చువల్లీ ఖైదీ 350 అని తెలుగులో తీసారా సినిమా. బట్ కత్తి సినిమా చూసారా మురుగదాస్
చూసాను bro,
తమిళ్లో?
నేను చూసాను.
Chusa, bro.
Yeah,
Vijay. Yes,
Sarkar.
సో
I have seen in Tamil
హౌ
itself.
ఇస్ ఇట్ దట్
I have seen in Tamil itself.
కాయిన్ ఫైట్
Bro even
that coin fight idea how
once again Katti movie is a masterpiece in Tamil cinema
Yes, I have seen in Tamil.
remake in Telugu is okay Kaidi 150 is hit only Telugu we accept that but
But
most of
yes,
most
I
of
know.
but most of the scene we saw after Vijay that I became anger only bro
Bro, Alex,
Yes,
Alex, one second.
yes.
Bro,
They
I
have
can accept
commercialized.
every. Bro, one
They
second,
have
one second.
commercialized.
Bro, some
Bro,
fight
I can
scenes
accept everything, bro. That the last, அது என்ன
అమ్ముడు
Alex,
లెట్స్ డూ కుమ్ముడు
bro in bro in
climax
Katti
scene, bro.
once
It's a
again bro
masterpiece scene in Tamil Nadu, bro.
Irada bro in Katti climax we end emotionally but in Kaidi 150 Ammudu Let's Gumudu it's a romantic comedy we are
It's
all
not
are
a
trigger
romantic
only
thing.
like after
Bro, it's
He
like
had
it's like
mm,
that time Chiranjeevi need a comeback, and everyone
mm.
thinks that Chiranjeevi do
என்ன ப்ரோ எல்லாரும் ஆங்கிலத்திலேயே படம்
will
கட்டுறாங்க.
Chiranjeevi does
தமிழ்ல
dance at this
பேசலாமா?
age and all that. So they have
Mm,
made some commercialized stuff in that movie. Later, everyone knows that
mm,
Katha is cult classic in Tamil, and everyone likes.
mm.
Many of them are seen in Tamil itself with subtitles.
Yes.
With subtitles, everyone seen
Did you
that
watch
movie.
Kathi in Tamil versions
I
also?
have seen
அதான்
in Tamil
சொல்லிட்டாரு
only. I have seen in
சொல்லிட்டாரு
Tamil
Bro,
only.
initially they struggled
Okay.
not to release Katti
bro.
Initially,
Bro,
due to
even
some objections by
bro,
Jayalalitha.
Katti is a emotion movie because before Talaiva movie was struggled, faced many of the political issues.
Yeah, yeah.
After
yes, yes,
that,
I know.
after that only Jilla okay. Katti is a peak cinema of.
Jilla
Kathy
actually
and
clashed with the Ajit movie.
Once
That
upon a
is,
Yes.
time, like A.R. Murugadas and Shankar was many people favorite in
yeah,
Tollywood.
yeah.
Bro,
Actually,
bro,
bro,
even 1 second, bro. I like Darbar first half also, bro. Even second half Darbar is waste only. But Sikandar movie, I'm totally disappointment. Uh,
Achal,
Balaji,
Tamil
one
versus
thought.
Surya,
Bro, bro, bro. How
Sonakshi
Surya.
Spider
Sinha.
ran in Telugu, bro? Spider,
Spider
Spider.
flop,
Spider is and flop only, I think so.
flop.
actually, Raymond, bro, I was a fan of
Mm.
A.R. Murugas. Actually, I was a A.R. Murugas fan. After Darbar, I lost hopes on him.
Sikandar, sir. Sikandar.
சிக்கந்தர்லாம் இன்னும் சுத்தம் மதராசி பார்க்கலாம்
But
எஸ்கேனால
H
கொஞ்சம்
H
பார்க்கலாம்.
Vinod H Vinod movies like racing movie, one Ajit movie. Director
வலிமை
H
ப்ரோ,
Vinod only.
டிசாஸ்டர் மூவி.
Bro,
வலிமை
bro, you
வலிமை.
like bro, do you know அது என்னதுடா
தீரன் தீரன்
தீரநாதிகாரம் ஒன்று is a
கார்த்தி.
is a best film Karthik film.
Kaki.
Karthi best films. Karthi movies everyone Telugu people likes, and recently
Yes.
one movie Satyam
Mayalagan,
Sundaram
Mayalagan,
something.
Mayalagan.
மெய்யழகன்.
That
மெய்யழகன்
movie
மெய்யழகன்
Sardar,
okay.
bro.
and
Sardar,
I
I like
like
Sardar, bro.
டேய்
In
இருங்கடா
recent
Sardar
ஒரு
is
times.
நிமிஷம்.
also okay. And one
அவன்
more this one Avara means Tamanna and
Ah,
Rain song movie.
அது பையா பையா
கார்த்தி.
Paya,
பையா
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 பையா பையா.
பையா
Ajit.
தமிழ்நாடு hit only bro, hit movie.
In Telugu,
Songs are
it's
super hit, bro.
still till today everyone vibe for that songs in Telugu.
Good only.
Bro, Vishal movies how Telugu states lo.
Bro, Pandam Kodi, bro.
Vishal movie is an
Tandakodi.
There
average.
are fans, bro. Vishal garu.
Bro,
Okay, bro.
in olden
Vishal
days, bro.
ப்ரோ
at
வாட் அபௌட் எஸ்டிஆர் ப்ரோ?
at
டேய் STR
STR
no STR not.
Simbu.
STR have
மன்மதா
எவனா
வாஸ் ஹிட் ஒன்லி இன் தெலுங்கு ரைட்? மன்மதா.
Manmada
Vallabha,
and
Vallabha.
Vallabha also. And
கலரு
these people
சிவகார்த்திகேயன் ப்ரோ.
ஒரு
Vishal has
நிமிஷம்
some
ஒரு
fan
நிமிஷம்
base in
கலரு
Telugu states.
Bro, Tandakodi, bro. Vishal movie.
டேய் கலரு
Pandenkodi,
சொல்றா.
Pogaru, 3-4 movies of
எவனோ எவனோ
Vishal
ஏ
have
கத்தி
done
டிடெக்ட்
well in
டிடெக்டிவ்
நல்லாக
in
ட்ரை
Telugu.
பண்றான்டா.
Tamirabaran in Telugu.
டிடெக்டிவ்.
Yes, bro, but Kanchana series, most of them hit in Telugu only, no. I
Yeah,
think
yes, bro.
Kanchana 3
Yeah.
also.
3
Four
parts,
coming only.
fourth coming. But the second part was average in Tamil and blockbuster in Telugu.
Bro,
Kanchana.
I think I think that is a third part. Third Kanchana part only.
Second part.
Kanchana 2 hit in Tamil and the set only.
But Telugu it was bigger hit than Tamil.
Last part is in salt air like old age that role only. 3 heroines, 4 heroines like no one
That
everyone
one is an average.
yes bro, that only everyone criticizes that, but that movie also reached in box office hit only, so that he did for
Bro,
Kanchana 4.
actually, it's easy to grab Telugu market because like they invest very less now. Like 2-3 crores break even. So that's why judgment will be like that. But in Tamil, the own language movie, no, so they need to collect more. So that's the reason between Telugu blockbusters and Tamil blockbusters in dubbing movies.
Bro, what about JM Ravi?
Jayam Ravi Telugu anta em ledhu ekku. He does Telugu
Bro,
movies only in Tamil.
bro, even Tamil Nadu also Jayam Ravi sometimes
Bro,
hit
do you
only
know Pawan Kalyan?
No.
Dhruva
bro.
movie. Dhruva movies.
Pawan
Who is
Kalyan, bro.
Tanivar one?
Pawan Kalyan 99% watch in
Do you know Pawan Kalyan?
TV only.
Okay.
He
But
didn't watch
Dhruva
any of
movie
his
of
movies.
Dhruva movie Tani one we like.
Tani one is a
Bro,
masterpiece, bro.
Kangretti.
Super film.
Kangreddy, do you know Pawan Kalyan?
Yeah, bro.
Who is Pawan
He's
Kalyan?
Bro,
going to contest in
I am from
Chennai, bro.
Telugu only.
Bro,
Bro, Kalar Karthi, bro, one second, bro. Kalar Karthi is ex Pawan Kalyan fan. Now
Is
he
is
hate
is from
because of the political only.
is from
bro,
Tirupati
what
only, you
happens?
know.
Bro, I
Bro,
personally don't.
Bro, what
One
happens, bro?
second,
If Pawan Kalyan's party contests in Tamil Nadu
one second.
elections.
Kamal Nadu, Tamil,
டேய்
Pawan
ஒன்
Kalyan,
பை
Tamil
ஒன்னா
Nadu
ஒன்
election.
பை ஒன்னா பேசலாம். டேய்
Tamil
டேய்
Nadu,
ஒன் பை ஒன்னா பேசலாம்.
bro, no one know Pawan Kalyan in Tamil Nadu. Is it like that only
Even
reality?
sisters also
டேய்
are
டேய்
there.
டேய் ஒரு
No,
நிமிஷம்
no.
குரோடு
Bro, he's going
குரோடு
to
ப்ரோ
contest in
குரோடு
Chennai,
ப்ரோ.
bro. In
No,
Telugu.
bro, it's a comedy only.
ஏய் இரா ஒரு நிமிஷம் குரோடு ப்ரோ చెప్పు ப்ரோ.
Yeah, bro.
Anna Nagar, Kollathu,
So
T Nagar.
Let's have political discussions on Tamil Nadu after before elections. After Jananayakan release celebrations, we will have, and we will also roast
no, I would say
this.
one thing, bro.
This no. We will also roast the
குரோடு இஸ்
dividing
ஸ்பீக்கிங்.
forces. Let's eliminate dividing forces in Tamil Nadu.
Okay.
சூப்பர் ப்ரோ.
Yeah,
குரோடு ப்ரோ இஸ் ஸ்பீக்கிங்
bro.
ப்ரோ.
Yeah, let me talk. So I would like to say one thing. So I have huge respect on Talapati Vijay because we have seen a lot of movies that would be remaked in Telugu, starting from Katti or else whatever it should be. Any movie, Police Odu, I think it's a remake of another.
Theory.
தெரி டப்பிங் மூவி.
Theory and
Atli.
Master is my favorite movie, and Leo is ultimate. So in Telugu, respect or like somebody speaking about Katti, right? It is called Kaidi number 150. So I know that because right, Telugu audience have a special what we called a massy angle, or maybe it's a Chiranjeevi's comeback movie after he entered into the politics. He stopped the movies actually. So he, like, they are loving to bring back Chiranjeevi. I know it's a good story. Katti is it's an ultimate story, but the thing is, right, Telugu audience have a special kind of relationship with Chiranjeevi. A lot of senior heroes. Even though I'm a junior Enter fan, but I love Chiranjeevi, and I support Telugu film industry. So the thing is, whatever that hero speciality, that native, obviously there might be some of the story changes will happen. The core line of story is whatever the farmers are struggling still, based on that, some of the village, they are struggling and they are fighting for their cause. But the thing is, the nature of the story is right, but right, based on hero and hero capabilities, we have to add some like what are the comedy scenes or masala scenes or like elevation scenes, something like happens. If you take Pokiri, right, when Mahesh Babu did it is a huge movie, and when Talapati Vijay remake, right, right, that particular thing, it can't match. But the thing is, Talapati did a very good job, and I think
Yes,
he really,
200 days run
2007.
in 200 days run in Tamil Nadu. Clash with
Yeah,
two movies.
it's a very good job. But the thing is, right, when compared to Telugu, and Telugu people see that particular movie of a remake of movie of Telugu, right, what happens, they will also think like that, saying that, "Arey, what is that?" So but you love that. That's why the same thing happens with Kaidi number 150 and
Bro,
whatever
even
bro,
Katti.
you are
bro,
குரோடு ப்ரோ.
one second. Even I am also accept that
ஒரு
Kaidi
நிமிஷம்
150 is turn into commercial film.
யூ
But
ஆர்
but one sir, I accept that it's a commercial element.
டேய்
But
டேய் ஒரு
many
நிமிஷம்
of the scene, but many of the scenes are changed like.
ஒரே நிமிஷம்
Yeah,
ஒரே
that
நிமிஷம்டா.
depends on the
அவன்
hero.
சொல்றது
That depends
புரியுது.
on the hero perspective.
குரோடு
So
ப்ரோ.
actually, I will
குரோடு ப்ரோ.
conclude in a short way, because that time people had an expectations on Chiranjeevi comeback, whether he will perform dance and whether he
Bro,
does
I can,
comedy
bro.
in similar way. That's way they made some changes.
I
That's it.
understood, but I need to say this, Kurodu bro. Actually, you're justifying the movie, okay? But what I'm saying is, the base of the movie is about farmers and their struggles. But if it's changed in another way, it's in commercial way, means we don't like that, because the essence of the film is ruined because of that commercial element. The
Bro, in
emotions
example,
didn't
Of
carry
course,
it.
one second,
we
Really.
one
have
second,
to. No, no, no,
bro,
no.
one second. Example, one movie thing. Entire Temper movie also I like. In Tamil we did Ayogya, Vishal movie.
I think Vishal,
What?
yeah, Vishal remake, yeah.
Yeah, in Telugu, entire won't it. Yeah, he alive only. But in Ayogya movie, he death only. He did.
Yeah.
He died.
No,
He
that
died for
Climax,
the.
that's the
He
thing,
died
right?
for the
climax.
See,
justice.
Yes,
ultimately,
yes, climax have changed.
Yes, bro. But Tamil Nadu, we accept that. We accept that. Vishal.
Bro, I want to say one thing. That is best remake. I can say that. Vedam Cinema. I mean, Vedam Cinema and Vanam Cinema. Both are same. Acted by Allu Arjun and STR. Okay. So both cinema, if you watch, it means the essence won't ruined, and they both gave their best performance in both the movies. The emotions in the climax
Yes.
scene while Allu Arjun and Esther cries, you will feel that. So like that only we are asking.
yes,
Kathi movie is a
yeah,
masterpiece for us, but
I
if Chiranjeevi
understand.
is doing that means he's a great hero. The message will reach more. But if he
No, I
doing in a
understand. I
commercial way,
Bro,
means
completely
it
bro,
will ruin.
one
no,
minute,
So
I
I
bro.
would tell.
completely agree
One
on
minute,
that
nah.
because,
While
but the thing is,
while remaking the movie, they will add their elements according to the comfort.
yeah.
If you see
See,
Godfather and Lucifer
VV
also,
Vinayak is a
the
commercial
element
director.
it is missing.
V Vinayak is a commercial director in Telugu, and he has done a lot of mass movies, and right. And it's a Chiranjeevi's 150th film, and it's a prestigious film. I know whoever fans watching Chiranjeevi, and most of the fans, mega fans, they would love to watch that Chiranjeevi steps and all, and Chiranjeevi mass dialogues and all, and Chiranjeevi's what we call mass elevations and all. I know the core story is same, but the thing is, they need to put that. The fans want that, and it's a fans movie, not it's a milestone movie. It's a fans movie, so that's why they have
Yes.
Bro,
encouraged.
Korudu,
So
bro, 1 second, bro. We can accept everything, bro, but that last climax scene, we can be
Bro,
as it is, like
one
emotion
second,
scene, no, bro. That's why
one
asking.
second. ஒரு நிமிஷம் இல்ல
no,
இங்க
no, no,
இது
no, no,
கத்தி
no. See,
ஒன் செகண்ட் ப்ரோ
everyone.
இல்ல உனக்கு
I
ஒரு
need. I'm
கொரடு
respecting
பதில் சொல்ல
everyone's.
விடுங்களா?
ஒன் செகண்ட் ப்ரோ இல்லடா டேடே இல்ல ஒரு நிமிஷம் ஒன் செகண்ட் கத்தி மூவி வில்லன் அட்டாக் விஜய் வித் 50 கைஸ் 50 by 50 ரவுடிஸ் ஐ திங்க் in கைதி 150 I think 100. Do you know that also
See,
Arey yaar,
okay.
you need to take the cinema
Yes,
liberty.
bro.
You
One
need
second,
to
one
take
second.
the cinema liberty, man.
One second, bro. In commercial element, that also I accept that because, okay, he's a commercial
yeah,
hero. He's a senior hero. He beat 100 rowdies. It is
Fine
also
fight,
okay.
na bro?
One second. What he said is climax dialogue. Climax
yes, sir.
dialogue is
That's why
most.
Arey, that's what I'm
Most
saying.
of them
That's what
trigger.
I'm saying.
No, bro, it's a
It's a
emotion scene
fans
that can
movie,
work
man.
in Telugu also, no, bro.
That's okay. See, we can take the cinema liberty. I know it's a fiction world. We can take everything. But the thing is, right? It's a fans movie and it's a remarkable 150th movie. So you can
Even
expect
one
mass
second,
dialogues and
one
mass
second, bro.
dialogue.
Asuran Telugu பேர் என்ன நாரப்பா. Do you like நாரப்பா?
அதே
Yes,
ஒரு
Narappa.
வெங்கடேஷ்
Narappa.
neighbor.
See, when you
Narappa
talk
haven't
about
changed anything.
in
Narappa
இல்ல
is
இல்ல
Telugu,
directly released in Amazon. Narappa
Bro,
is
why I am asking this
similar.
particular thing means that a movie itself fully, it's an emotional movie, a Kathi movie. Then climax also it should
Mass and
be
emotion.
like a
Mass and
emotion.
emotion.
But
சொல்லிட்டேனா
in Telugu,
சொல்லிட்டேனா
it's
ஒரு
very
நிமிஷம்
different. That's why I'm asking that
Bro,
particular
bro,
100%,
scene,
man.
climax
bro,
scene.
Okay.
That's
hello,
what
ஒரு
I'm
கேள்வி
saying.
வைப்போம்.
hello,
See,
எல்லார்ட்டையும் ஒரு கேள்வி வைப்போம்.
hello,
that
ஒரு கேள்வி வைப்போம். ப்ரோ ஒரு நிமிஷம்
bro.
Okay, tell me, bro.
Bro,
நான்
I have
தெலுங்கு
one
guy
question
தான்.
to everyone. I have one
Hello.
question to everyone. Bro,
ஒரு
see,
நிமிஷம்
there is an interval scene dialogue I am waiting. In Kathi, if that is created a big goosebumps. So in Kaidi 150, that same I am waiting.
I am
They
waiting
didn't give
from
anything.
Tupaki,
Bro,
I think so.
நீங்க
In
சொல்றது
the
for
Kathi
புரியல
also
bro.
there is
same after
same thing.
Topagi also interval same dialogue only two interval. Topagi also same dialogue. Kathi also
Kathi
same
also
dialogue.
I am waiting. There is dialogue in interval.
ப்ரோ நீங்க சொல்றது புரியுது ப்ரோ. அது வந்து
ம்.
சிரஞ்சீவி கம்பேக் இல்ல 150th படம். ஸோ
அதான் இல்ல
அதனால
ஆனா இல்ல அங்க
Yeah, simple
அங்க
bro.
இல்ல
See,
அங்க
for
எடுத்த
Kaidi number,
ஃபார்முலா அங்க
for
ஹிட் ஆச்சு அது நல்ல விஷயம் தான் கேட்டா இருக்கட்டும் ஆனா
ஆ,
பாக்கும்போது
அதான்
for Kaidi
150th
and
படம்
number
நிறைய ஆட்
150, they have
பண்ணிருக்காங்க.
added some commercial elements. If you see a item song, a mass, a dance number, and something like some mass
and
dialogues.
that's our expecting
Some
from fans.
they have
See, that is a
made
fans
some
movie. You
changes.
can't
That's
able
it.
to take that. It's a
bro
movie by our
even
movie.
bro in the crack movie, you know crack movie is a core of Sethupathi
So, bro,
Sethupathi
one
movie.
minute, 1 minute. You, for example, if you take Lucifer and this Godfather movie
Yes,
also,
yes.
they have made the story according to their comforts. The whole plot itself it was changed in that movie.
Yes, bro.
Godfather means in the Godfather, what was the thing is they are trying to elevate the Chiranjeevi's character only. The other characters were grayed out completely. So while remaking, they will make some changes according to their comforts, and it will be like that only. If you see Vijay's this Kaidi movie, it was emotional plot and it went in it according to the story. But coming to Kaidi number 150, they have added some commercial elements. Means it is his comeback film after so many days,
Yes,
and
yes,
he went to
yes,
politics,
yes.
and
We know.
something happened, and it is his 150th movie. So they have make some changes according to means
Bro, how
as
it run
this
on
person
Telugu
Kurodu said
states, bro?
like he's an
That movie.
uh,
Hit only,
yeah,
hit
very
only.
good
It's
bro,
a good
very
movie.
good.
It's a
Okay,
good
okay.
movie.
Hit, hit.
It got lot
collection
of
wise flop
collection.
probably.
Bro, 1 second.
You can say it
Collection
was
wise
a great
ஓடலையா?
comeback to Chiranjeevi at that
மூவி
time.
ஹிட் டாக்
You
வந்தது,
can say
ஆனா
that. You
கலெக்ஷன்
can say
வைஸ்
that.
அவ்வளவு இல்ல.
ஓ சரி, ஓகே. இல்ல
Everything good went well.
லாஸ்ட் பவன் கல்யாண் ஹிட் மூவி which one?
பீம்லா நாயக்.
Wakil
Last
Pawan
Saab,
Kalyan
Pawan
Wakil
Kalyan
is
Saab.
movie,
see Pawan
Vakil Saab
Kalyan
also you
doesn't
can't say. I
have
think so.
you know
Bro,
Vakil
bro
Saab
the
also
author ita
bro. Bro is also not it,
Bro
bro.
hit இல்லையா?
No, I think in the decade itself is not having a hit movie. That's
oh
what
it's
I'm
like
thinking so
Surya
much.
va
ஏய்
Very
எதோடடா இது பண்ற? கம்மனறா.
ப்ரோ சூர்யா
Shut up man.
பீக்கே
Pawan
ரேஞ்ச்
Kalyan.
வேற
I
bro.
know.
I
See,
think
I would like to tell one.
bro last Pawan Kalyan
I
hit
would like
movie.
to
అత్తారింటికి దారేది
I think.
అత్తారింటికి దారేది
తొలి
No, no, no.
ప్రేమ.
ఒక సెకండ్ చూడండి బ్రో.
అత్తారింటికి
బ్రో బ్రో
అత్తారింటికి దారేది భీమ్లా నాయక్.
గబ్బర్
భీమ్లా
సింగ్
నాయక్.
గబ్బర్ సింగ్
Bhimla
గబ్బర్
Bhimla
సింగ్
Naik,
గబ్బర్ సింగ్.
గబ్బర్
I
సింగ్
think
டேய் அலெக்ஸ், நீ என்னடா
Gabbar
ஹோஸ்ட்
Singh
பண்ற?
இல்ல
Attarintiku
ப்ரோ,
Daredi,
யுனானிமஸ்
it
ஹிட்
went
அத்தாரின்ட்டுக்கு தாரேதி.
run well.
அலெக்ஸ்
இண்டஸ்ட்ரி ஹிட்
இருடா,
அலெக்ஸ்,
ஆளாளுக்கு ஒரு ஆன்சர் சொல்றாங்க. சொல்லு.
அத்தாரின்ட்டுக்கு தாரேதி ப்ரோ.
ஒருத்தர் பேசுறது கேட்க மாட்டேங்குது. நீ ஒன் பை
ப்ரோ
ஒன்
ப்ரோ
பேசுறடா.
லெட்ஸ்
ஹோஸ்டா அது பண்றா.
வெயிட் 1 by 1. தொலி
தொலி
பிரேமாவா?
பிரேமா இல்ல
எந்த
வருஷம்
வருஷம் இது? which year?
அத்தாரின்ட்டுக்கு
ஏய்,
தாரேதி.
No.
I
This
know.
Gabbar
See,
Singh
I
and
know you.
Attarintiku
See,
Daredi run well. After that, Bhimla Naik only somewhat. Other films all are flop only. This
bro,
bro,
color
something Vakil
color
Saab,
is hater of
nothing
Pawan
worth
Kalyan.
talking.
That's why he's saying Toli
bro,
Prema.
I understand that.
Yes bro, he is
Even
hater
I
of
was,
him.
even I will defer Pawan Kalyan because politically we have so many fights. But when you coming to Telugu film industry, he's a big star. So he's a big star, and I think his last film was Attarinti Daredu, which is blockbuster, and he loves to do more remake movies. And I think now OG will
Not
break
only
the
him, bro.
records.
You can see whole Mega family. They were interested in doing remake
Yeah, of
movies
course,
only.
they love to do
They
that.
will they will go for that
Yeah,
every
they love
time.
to do that.
Whole
Yeah.
Mega family, they will go for
Bro,
remake. Yes.
nowadays also remake movie also people accept it, but screenplay is different. It's a blockbuster only. But nowadays screenplay also did same thing, same flop, like that only. All remake
Yeah,
movies happen.
that
Bro,
depends on
what
the
do you think
audience,
of
right? That
War
depends
2
on the
versus Coolie, bro?
Bro, in Tamil Nadu, most of the opening are weekend Coolie only. But if Coolie is a flop movie, yeah, after 4 days,
It
War
won't
2 pick up.
happen. Lokesh
No
movie
bro,
da.
some
So it
Rajini
won't
fans are
happen.
saying
Alex.
Bro, you can't.
இல்ல bro,
But
You can't accept War 2
one
will
second,
Bro,
but Tamil
everything is
Nadu,
on review, bro.
one second, bro. But Tamil Nadu War 2
No.
screens available in
We can say na.
available in mall theaters, definitely.
See, you can exclude Tamil Nadu.